Good morning, traders. It's Monday, and I'm getting ready to take a trade here and see if we can't catch the code 2 this morning. Be right back. For you code traders out there, it looks like a full rollover this morning, but we'll see. I'm waiting on the signal now. Okay, I just got a short entry, and I'm short. Stop set to 43.68. I'm getting a second code short entry here. Short signal, I should say. That makes 3 short signals, by the way. Okay, it just came and got my stop, and at the same time it gave a long entry off of code 1, and this possibly is the code 2 right here. So I am taking it long here with the intention that this is now the code 2. Just had it wrong on the first shot. This is my second try. I believe I'm going to be nailing it right here, taking the entry, nailing the code 2, and it should go up from this point forward. I really thought this thing was going to go down and roll over, but I don't think so now. I think it's just gave a code 2 or a code 1 long entry, which is into a code 2. So I'm long. I'll come back, show you the progression and outcome of this trade. By the way, the stop is set at 59, so that's 11 tick stop, or a 9 tick stop. And on this trade, because it's code 2, I'll be going for 100 ticks. You can see it's shooting up pretty nice here, but it should just be getting started. It should be an up day, and it should move up quite a bit. My entry is at 43.68. I'm looking for 44.68, which puts it above this high up here. So, just getting started. I'll come back shortly and show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. Cannot mathematically confirm that code 2 is up yet, but we're getting really close. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be. I'm almost positive of it. Just wanted to show really quick that it's making a move down here after making a high, and it did give a code 1 short entry up there at the top, but I have not given up the position, not gotten out. This is a code 2 trade, a code 2 strategy. The only way to get 100 ticks is to go for 100 ticks. There's no way to get 100 ticks that I know of unless you go for the 100 ticks. So, I am holding this position and going for 100 ticks off the code 2 trade. This is what I'm showing now every day, every morning, to show the power of this. Once this market starts opening up here, I'll be able to hit these 100 ticks almost every day. And, if there's a trader anywhere in the world that isn't impressed with that, then I'll be impressed with that trader. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. Anyway, my point is that there is no system like this system, and there is no system like code 2. No system can compare to it. And now I am showing the power of it. It's coming down, yet I am still holding. Let's see what happens at the end of this day. I'll be back. See, it's all a matter of knowing. If you know what this thing is going to do before it does it, then you can make 100 ticks. Then you're making a lot of money. How many people would just get out right there and lock in the profit that they've got? And yet, look at what's happening. They're locking in hardly anything. This is what happens over and over and over again. But if you know to hold, then I can make, $4,000 instead of $280, because I'm getting scared to get out now, because you don't know which way it's going to go. With code 2, you do. Oh, by the way, code 2 is now mathematically confirmed to go long. Mathematically confirmed. Another reason to hold it to go long. I have a mathematical confirmation of code 2 will be to go up. It's barely even moved yet. It's moved like 35 ticks so far. It's gonna go 100 plus ticks. I'll be back. Just in case any of you were wondering about the time, it is now 7:08 a.m. Pacific time, and you can see that on the chart down here. 6:20, and then a bit after that is 7:08. It's going 5:30, 6:20, almost an hour. So almost an hour is 7:08 right there. So that's the time. And if you're looking for your time in the world, I've got the world clock here. And Copenhagen, it's 4:08 right now. London is 3:08. Manila, 10:08. Singapore, 10:08. Rome, 4:08. Guatemala, 8:08 a.m. Sydney, 12:08 a.m. Late in Sydney. Zurich, 4:08 p.m. It's a good time out in Europe. Is a great place to trade. Great place. You got all the markets there. You got the Euro market you can trade and the USA market. Cape Town, 4:09 p.m. You know, South Africa is where Franca is at, and that's where she trades from. She's in a fantastic time zone, same time zone as the Euro time zone. Bangkok, 9:09. That's not bad. Jerusalem, 5:09 p.m. Not bad there. So anyway, that's the time, and this is the code on the oil futures market. CL expiration 8/20/2015, and you are watching the code 2 in progress. I am going for a 100 tick trade. How many people can do that? I'll be back. Okay, it broke upward, and it's moving up pretty good here. Just got to make it up to 68, 44.68. Go take a look at it. That's right there, 44.68 on the exit. I'll be back. It's moving up pretty good here, though. It might make it there pretty quickly. We'll see. Might spike up there. We'll see. One way or another, though, should make it. You are witnessing and watching for yourselves the power of knowing the code 2. I got the first trade wrong and went short. You know, it gave me 3 code 1 short entries, but then turned around and gave a long code 1 entry, which I took, and then boom, took off. I'll be back. It's moving up good here. I don't have too much further to go. Needs to make it up to 68, already almost at 28. Within 40 ticks, within striking range. Still got a ways to go, but the only thing we need to watch out for. Oh, and by the way, I'm getting some emails of subscribers, charting members, charting subscribers. They're hitting this trade too. Very happy. Congratulations out there, guys. You know, this is, I basically called this in the charting, and I took the trade. Here we are. It's not that hard, is it? It's not rocket science. Okay, anyway, the only thing we need to watch out for is that special trade. But, you know, like I said, it probably won't come. But anything is possible in the oil market. That's one reason why I love to trade this market, because it can do Superman things. And, you know, you gotta be ready for anything in this market. Keep on your toes. Anyway, but if that doesn't happen, then 100 ticks should be in the bag this morning. I'll be back. By the way, where's my entry at? Down here. Where's it at now? Way up here. Amazing, isn't it? How could I have known? And I'm still holding to go all the way up to 68. Okay, we're getting pretty close here. Almost 20 ticks away. Just shot up to what about 50 right there. Actually, it's 51, I think. Just went up to 58, which is 10 ticks away from my exit. It may get toppy up here. I'm watching the code and hoping it's going to make a spike. One more spike that'll get me out, and it'll go up into the code as well. Just seeing what it's going to do here. There's a good chance of a spike coming. Might get a signal here. Stand by. Okay, we look to have just gotten a long signal right there off code 1. If so, it's going to hit my exit, no problem. Here it comes. Come on, baby, spike up just one time. It could be offset here. I need to go a little bit higher. Went up to 64. I need 4 more ticks. Come on. Get up there. Okay, I'll be right back in the interest of time. Actually, I'll let you watch it. I got 4 more minutes left in the video here before I got to cut it off. Come on, get up there. Went up to 65. Just needs 3 more ticks. What's the code? Taking a look at the code here. It could reverse right here. Otherwise, it's going to keep on going higher. It's going to easily hit my exit. There it goes. Come on. Get up there and hit. Okay, I'm going to exit myself. I'm out right there. It could come down right there, and I don't want to risk it. A couple ticks isn't really worth it. So I'll just take that right there off the table. There you see it, ladies and gentlemen, right before your eyes. It is Monday morning here. Monday morning, August 10th, 2015. And you saw me come out and take a short entry down here. And it went the wrong way. It came back and hit my stop. I took a long entry. I held it for a big trade, almost 100 ticks. And I went for it the whole time. I didn't get out and get back in, get out, get back in, lock in profit, get back in. No, I just took a trade, went for it the whole time, and I got it, didn't I? Want to see the clock again? The time is now 7:33 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can see on the chart here, 6:50 a.m. 7:30 would be a little bit after that. That's where we are. Everything you're seeing is real time. There is a secret about this market that can make you a lot of money. And, it's all real. If you are interested and you want to come and do this with me, I suggest you get my courses and then sign up to my charting service. I just got emails, people hitting this with me because I said what the code would most likely be. And I even said what I would do with it today. And I did it. And other people did the same thing. And they hit the trade. I mean, there's no money to be made at trading like there is at oil. It just isn't. And because no instrument moves as much as this one does. Plus you have the code 2 to use on this thing. When you see me start hitting $4,000 and $5,000 trades every single day, or almost every day, then it's going to open up your eyes. That what I'm talking about is not just real, it's mind-boggling. Okay, I'm going to go, traders. Have a good, hope you guys are doing well out there trading, especially you charting subscribers. I hope you're nailing it with me. I know some of you certainly are. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading, to hit the code 2. Happy trading out there. And I'll see you in my charting service later today. And I'll see you trading tomorrow. Happy trading.